Hi guys, so you've seen me showcase many luxury projects in the past, but this tour we are starting right from the bedroom of this apartment because it has a very unique feature. Come with me. And that is a private jacuzzi right within your bedroom. So this wonderful 3 BHK apartment in Parel offers you a dedicated space that you can convert into a private jacuzzi, a plunge pool, or even a garden with the most amazing views. Now that you've seen the bedroom USP, let's check out the rest of the house. Well, that's not it. This is your very own lobby area within your apartment, and that is your private elevator shaft. This narrow passage back here will take you to your grand living room. This is your entertainment area, that is your dining area. And now, ladies and gentlemen, that is your 13 feet wide deck. मुंबई में इतना बड़ा डेक मिलना मुश्किल है, but you get it with this particular apartment. The deck by itself is 1076 square feet, and it offers you the most amazing views of the Trans Harbor ceiling and the mountains. Now, the property also offers you many such cool amenities like a swimming pool, a banquet area, mini theater, and much more. And it has a launch coming up very soon, which means that we're offering you a gold voucher of up to 9 lakhs for the first 9 customers. So, if you wish to avail this amazing offer, then get in touch with us now.